Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Josh and you're watching our history. Today we're going to go over the life of King Sekwati, who built up the Bapedi people after the Mfecane. So if you enjoy this, please be sure to like, and if you're new here, consider smashing the subscribe button. If this isn't your first rodeo and you haven't shown some love to the subscribe, now is your opportunity. Thank you for watching. Sekwati. Sekwati, who lived from around 1824 to September the 20th, 1861, was a paramount king of the Bapedi people, also known as the Maroteng. During his reign, Sekwati focused on rebuilding the Marota Kingdom after the Mfecane, a period of widespread warfare and displacement in southern Africa. He also worked towards maintaining peaceful relations with the Boer Voortrekkers, who were European settlers, as well as neighboring chiefdoms in the northeastern Transvaal region. Sekwati, who had sons Sekhukhune II and Mampuru II. Sekhukhune eventually took over the Marota Pedi paramountcy through force, while Mampuru II was the rightful successor to Sekwati. After the death of his father Tulare I in 1824, Sekwati inherited the Marota or Pedi Kingdom, which was facing significant challenges at the time. The region was in a state of disrepair due to the Mfecane or Mfecane, a period of turmoil and displacement caused by tribal conflicts and the encroachment of white settlers known as Boers into the Transvaal. Sekwati assumed power following the deaths of his older brothers, who were killed during raids by Mzilikazi's Matabele. In an effort to rebuild the empire, Sekwati made the strategic decision to relocate the kingdom's capital from Pedi to Thaba. This move aimed to consolidate power and create a stronger foundation for the revitalization of the Marota Kingdom. Rise of Sekwati. The campaigns against the Pedi conducted by the Swazi were a series of military endeavors aimed at subduing the Pedi people. However, these efforts proved unsuccessful as the Pedi's mountain strongholds proved impenetrable to the Swazi forces. Consequently, some Pedi fugitives were able to regroup and continued their resistance against the Swazi. The political landscape of the Pedi underwent significant changes by the turn of the 19th century, with Chief Tulare emerging as a powerful leader. Under Chief Tulare's leadership, the Pedi established an empire with its capital city, Mfecane, situated at the Steelpoort River. This period marked the ascendancy of the Pedi, who became a ruling caste for the Chief Tulare's reign. After Chief Tulare's death, succession disputes arose within the Pedi Empire, leading to the Ndebele under Mzilikazi taking advantage and overthrowing the Pedi regime. This resulted in the deaths of several of Tulare's sons. Amidst this turmoil, Sekwati, one of Tulare's surviving sons, sought refuge with the fleeing Pedi. He later returned with his followers and established a base at Pedi, a mountain stronghold. Through his skillful leadership and diplomacy, Sekwati managed to reunite the Pedi people and consolidate various chiefdoms under his rule, eventually becoming the paramount chief. However, the Pedi faced challenges with the expansion of white settlers, which limited their independence and progress. In an effort to ensure peace and prosperity, Chief Sekwati of the Pedi tribe maintained diplomatic relations with the neighboring groups such as the Boers, Swazi and Zulu. Despite this, tensions gradually increased, leading to a significant event in 1852. Hendrik Potgieter, a Boer leader, led a military operation against Chief Sekwati's forces. The Boers laid siege to the Pedi stronghold, aiming to deplete their food and water supplies. However, the resourceful Pedi warriors managed to evade the Boer lines at night, successfully sustaining themselves during the lengthy siege. After 24 days, the Boers withdrew, taking the Pedi cattle with them. In recognizing the strategic importance of having access to an abundant water supplies, Chief Sekwati made the decision to relocate his capital to Thaba, also known as Mosega Kop. This move allowed him to ensure the sustainability and prosperity of his kingdom. Additionally, Chief Sekwati signed a significant treaty with the Boers, which established the Steelpoort River as the boundary between the Pedi lands and the Lydenburg Republic. This treaty helped to maintain the political stability and the territorial integrity of the Pedi Kingdom. Furthermore, Chief Sekwati displayed open-mindedness and tolerance by permitting Alexander Merensky and CHT Gratzner to conduct evangelical work within his territory. This allowed for the introduction of new religious and cultural dynamics within the Pedi Kingdom. If you enjoy this channel and you'd like to support more content like this, because all contributions are greatly appreciated, please check out the Patreon link in the description below.